Apple has lagged behind in the foldable segment. Rivals Samsung and Google already have foldable phones in the market. Apple is reportedly working on its foldable devices, a foldable iPhone and a foldable tablet. Tipster Revegnus at tech_rev on Friday claimed that the Cupertino-based tech company has planned to release a foldable iPhone in 2026. The latest development defies previous claims that Apple would go into mass production of its foldable MacBook in 2027, launching it as its first foldable device. Taking to X, formerly Twitter, the Tipster, citing a senior Apple official, reported that the company has confirmed the release of its foldable iPhone for the later than expected year of 2026. Given the delayed release compared to competitors, it is expected that cutting-edge technologies will be concentrated. Alphabiz quotes citing the official. The Tipster, citing a report from Korean outlet Alphabiz, mentioned that the official also added the foldable iPhone is expected to be thinner and lighter than those of competitors, stating, "Our goal is particularly to prevent the crease marks that competitors are struggling with." It should be noted that Apple has lagged behind in the foldable segment. Rivals Samsung and Google already have foldable phones in the market. Samsung has released 5 generations of both clamshell and book-style foldable phones, while Google launched the Pixel Fold last year.